Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, January 4. National Security Minister Robert Montego says a mix of measures will be employed in 2017 to disrupt criminal elements in the country. He was speaking at the JCF's annual devotional exercise held at the Police Commissioner's office yesterday.
It is the year when changes are going to come. It is the year when we are going to confront some things. We're going to disrupt the criminal forces.
Measures will include splitting the St. James Police Division into two to bring more resources to bear on the problems in that parish. 40 rank-and-file members of the JCF will be traveling to Cuba for training with 40 dogs that have been acquired. And changes will be made to several pieces of legislation, including the Bail, Firearm, and Fingerprint Acts. Equipment and infrastructure upgrades are also coming, including 2 new ships for the JDF Coast Guard.
By the 21st, those 2 ships will arrive in Jamaica to begin to patrol our waters and to secure our borders. And later on in the year, we're going to get a surveillance plane. Additional security on our borders.
The National Security Minister says 200 more vehicles will be added to the JCF fleet this year, and the closed-circuit television CCTV network will be expanded. In the meantime, Minister Montego has reported that the work of the security forces resulted in some important achievements in 2016. That includes retrieving over 750 illegal guns during the year.
We have a clear-up rate for murder of 58%. 3 years ago, it was 39%. That is progress. We have arrested over 750 persons for murder, the highest amount ever in the history of Jamaica in 1 year.
While acknowledging the issues that exist in the force, the minister says more credit should be given to the police for their hard work and hard-fought successes. Meanwhile, the police are being urged to take a firm stand against persons who illicitly burn sugar cane. Agriculture Minister Carl Samuda says cane farmers must be protected against the practice, which can sometimes wipe out the means of survival for entire families and communities.
Illicit burning of sugar is destructive to the foundation of our economy. It is unpatriotic, and it is very discouraging for those people who work night and day tirelessly to keep the industry going. And apart from everything else, it is criminal, and they should all be put in prison for the actions that they are undertaking.
The minister was speaking at a media briefing recently. He expressed hope that Jamaica will see significant improvement in sugarcane production this year.
We are going to have a much better crop this year. In addition to which, the price of sugar has increased, making it far more viable today than it was a year ago. And we are all more hopeful that it will continue to rise.
The first batch of overseas farm workers for 2017 were dispatched from the Labor Ministry's Overseas Employment Services Center in downtown Kingston yesterday. The group of approximately 375 workers was scheduled to leave the island today. They will be taking up employment opportunities in greenhouse production of vegetables, fruits, and other crops in Canada.
The Jamaica-Canada Employment Program continues to be a constant source of job opportunity for thousands of Jamaicans and a vital source of foreign exchange remittances to the Jamaican economy.
Last year, 15,611 workers participated in the Overseas Employment Program. Of this figure, 8,934, or more than 50%, went to Canada. Another group of workers will be dispatched later this month. And finally, the Labor and Social Security Minister is warning the public to be aware of unscrupulous persons who offer overseas jobs.
I urge you in your dealings to verify with the ministry the legitimacy of all such agencies before making any commitment. I urge you to contact the ministry before sending payments through any remittance service. And I also ask you to be careful about jobs being offered through the internet or on social media.
Information on verified jobs can be found on the ministry's Labor Market Information System website at www.lmis.gov.jm. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.